Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Take your backyard to the next level with an outdoor culinary setup that combines style and functionality, perfect for entertaining or family gathering. These kitchen concepts range from built-in barbecues to pizza ovens and ideas for any outdoor area, big or small. Learn how to create a cozy, inviting space that merges seamlessly with nature through the use of natural stone countertops, weather-resistant cabinetry, and emitting lighting, making outdoor cooking a breeze. Discover element designs like paragold, stylish patio furniture, and potted plants that enhance the overall aesthetic and blend with an exterior decor of your home. From minimalist design to luxurious setups, this collection offers inspiration for creating a backyard that's as beautiful as it's practical, making it to a favorite spot for summer gatherings and relaxed evenings under the stairs. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.